From the outside of the unit, carefully remove the 4 pieces of vinyl glazing bead. If panes of glass are broken in such a way, this can be carefully done from the outside as well. Use extreme care to ensure that the glass unit does not fall free during this operation. Using a utility knife or scraper, cut the glazing bounding around all the edges of the window as seen. This will free the window from the vinyl glazing leg. With the bead removed and glazing bond cut, carefully remove the unit intended or damaged glass unit. Safely discard the broken or old glass. Retain the setting blocks found under the glass unit. Using a utility knife or scraper, remove all the remaining glazing material from the vinyl glazing leg. Ensure the leg is clean on all 4 sides before proceeding. Check the window frame for any damage or warping. Apply a suitable glazing compound to the clean glazing leg. Ensure the bead of the compound is 3/16 of an inch in diameter and continuous along the entire perimeter. Do not cover the weep holes. Ensure the weep holes are clear and unobstructed. Place 1 setting block on each end of the bottom of the frame, no more than 1 inch from each corner. Ensure blocks do not obstruct the weep holes. Set the base of the new glass unit on the setting blocks. Tilt the top of the glass inward and onto the glazing surface. Ensure full contact between the glass and glazing compound. No void should remain. Reinstall vinyl glazing beads. Install the horizontal pieces first, followed by the vertical pieces. If any bead is damaged during removal, cut spare pieces to length on site. Check that the glass is seated evenly and securely. Confirm that the bead is snug and flush with the frame. Allow the glazing compound to fully cure as per manufacturer's instructions. Do not clean the glass with commercial cleaners until the compound has dried completely.